If your knees hurt when you walk, stand up from a chair, or go downstairs, you might be doing something that's actually making the problem worse without realizing it. The truth is, most people are either doing too much or doing the wrong type of exercise entirely. But there is a simple approach using just 4 targeted movements done in about 12 minutes, 3 times per week, that focuses on rebuilding strength around the knee safely. Here's exactly how it works. Exercise 1. Seated knee extension, activating the quadriceps. The quadriceps are the main muscles in the front of your thigh. They play a major role in walking, standing up, climbing stairs, and stabilizing the knee. When these muscles weaken, the knee has to absorb more force during everyday movement. That can contribute to discomfort and reduced stability. This exercise is about reactivating that system. How to do it? Sit upright in a chair. Lift one foot off the floor and slowly straighten your leg as far as you comfortably can. At the same time, gently pull your toes back toward you. Now tighten the front of your thigh, the quadriceps, as firmly as you can without causing pain. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then lower slowly. Key focus. Think about control, not force. The goal is to feel the muscle working, not to strain the knee joint. Dosage: 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Rest briefly between sets. If you feel sharp pain in the joint, reduce the effort or stop.
Exercise 2. Hamstring bridge, back of the thigh support. The hamstrings run along the back of your thigh and play an important role in stabilizing the knee during movement. When they are weak, the knee can lose balance between front and back support, which affects how force is distributed through the joint. How to do it? Lie on your back. Place your feet on a chair or stable surface, knees bent. Gently press your lower back into the floor. Now push through your heels and slowly lift your hips upward. At the top, pause briefly and feel the back of your thighs working. Lower slowly with control. Don't drop down. Key focus. Both hamstrings and glutes will work here. That's normal and expected. Dosage: 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Move slowly in both directions. Exercise 3. Standing calf raise, lower leg support system. The calf muscles are often overlooked in knee rehab, but they play an important role in how force travels through the leg during walking. When the calf is weak, shock absorption is reduced at the lower leg, which can increase stress higher up the chain, including the knee. How to do it? Stand facing a wall for balance. Place your hands lightly on the wall and lean slightly forward. Slowly rise up onto your toes as high as you comfortably can. Pause for 1 second. Then lower back down slowly under control. Key focus. Smooth, slow movement is more important than height or speed. Dosage: 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. If balance is an issue, use a countertop instead of a wall.
Exercise 4. Progressive sit to stand, functional knee strength. This is the most important movement because it directly trains the action you use dozens of times every day, standing up and sitting down. For many people with knee pain, this is also the movement that starts to feel uncertain or painful over time. How to do it? Sit near the edge of a sturdy chair. Lean slightly forward and stand up slowly using your legs. Pause at the top for 1 second. Then lower yourself back down slowly and quietly. Baseline, 10 repetitions. Progression, place one foot slightly forward and the other slightly back. Repeat the movement, shifting more load onto the back leg. Do 10 reps per side. Key focus, keep knees aligned with toes. Move slowly and stay controlled. This is not about strength alone. It's about rebuilding confidence in movement. Weekly plan. Perform this routine 3 times per week with rest days between sessions. Example, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Each session takes about 12 to 15 minutes. Order: seated knee extension, 3 sets per leg. Hamstring bridge, 3 sets. Calf raises, 3 sets. Sit to stand, 10 standard plus 10 each side. Rest, 60 seconds between sessions. Important: some muscle fatigue is normal. Sharp joint pain is not. Stop if that occurs.
Knee pain does not always mean you need to stop moving. In many cases, it means your movement needs to be rebuilt in a more structured way. These 4 exercises are designed to restore basic strength, coordination, and control around the knee, gradually and safely. Start small. Stay consistent. Even 1 set today is better than waiting for the perfect time that never comes. If this helped you, subscribe to Rapid Relief Health for more simple, science-based movement strategies that focus on reducing pain and improving long-term mobility. Your body is capable of more adaptation than you think. It just needs the right input, repeated consistently over time.